कुछ दिन पहले मुझे पेन ट्रिगर हुआ मेरे लो बैक में एंड डेफिनेटली कोई भी फ़िज़िकल एक्टिविटी की वजह से वो पेन नहीं हुआ था। आई वॉज़ वेरी श्योर मैंने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर जाके चीज़ें नहीं की थी, कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा एडवेंचरस चीज़ें नहीं की थी। एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई रिमेंबर कि मैं एक थोड़ा ऐसा पीरियड था जहाँ पे आई वॉज़ pretty much in a lot of stress. About 6-7 days I was in huge amount of stress. तो luckily उस समय I was also doing a lot of mind body connection का reading के मतलब उसके related मैं जो भी मुझे content मिल रहा था वो पढ़ रही थी, वो मैं videos देख रही थी. I was also doing a lot of mind body practices. तो I was able to understand कि वो stress के beneath underneath एक फंडामेंटल कोई इमोशन है विच इज़ फॉर मी इट वॉज एंगर जो प्रेजेंट था एंड दैट इमोशन जो गुस्सा है एज एन इमोशन फॉर मी इन माई ओन पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस एंगर इज़ अ वेरी अनसेफ इमोशन टू बी विथ। तो क्या होता है लाइक इन आवर चाइल्डहुड कुछ ऐसे सिचुएशंस होते हैं, सर्कमस्टेंसेस होते हैं एंड दोज सिचुएशंस गिव राइज टू आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इमोशन और मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हर एक पर्सन हु हैज़ क्रॉनिक पेन उनके केस में होता ही है, बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनको क्रॉनिक पेन है उनके लिए कोई ऐसा डोमिनेंट इमोशन होता है विच इज़ नॉट सेफ फॉर देम. फॉर मी इट वॉज एंगर बिकॉज आई ग्रू अप in my childhood growing up I saw anger being turned into lot of ugly fights and that is some way my nervous system or brain got registered it as unsafe because I would get afraid of those fights, I would get fearful of those fights, and when I saw them somehow that emotion got associated by my brain and my nervous system as something that is unsafe. So every time I have that emotion, if I have that emotion, my body, my brain, my nervous system takes it as unsafe and कोई भी चीज़ जो unsafe है, threat है, danger ऐसे perceive अगर होता है हमारे brain को या nervous system को, तो उसे respond करना उसकी जिम्मेदारी है जो भगवान ने सौंपी है उसको. नर्वस सिस्टम और ब्रेन को भगवान ने इसलिए बनाया कि इस इंसान को हमेशा सेफ रखना है, इसकी ज़िम्मेदारी आपकी है. तो ऑब्वियसली वो अपना काम अच्छे से कर रहा है. वो कैसे करेगा थ्रेट को रिस्पॉन्ड? ईदर इट इज़ गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेन और इट इज़ गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, इचीनेस हो सकता है, गिडीनेस हो सकता है. अलग अलग तरह के सिम्टम्स होते हैं जो बॉडी रिस्पॉन्ड करता है. कुछ लोगों में क्रॉनिक पेन होता है, तो इन माई केस ऑल्सो इट रिस्पॉन्ड्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेन. तो वेन एवर दैट anger as an emotion comes up, my body will create pain. हर बार नहीं, but especially when maybe the anger is too much. तो इतना डिटेल और एनालिसिस में जाने की हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा ये है इमोशन मेरे लिए जो अनसेफ बॉडी के लिए है और हर एक के लिए अलग हो सकता है. फॉर मी इट इज़ एंगर, फॉर समबडी एल्स इट कुड बी सैडनेस, फॉर समबडी एल्स इट कुड बी गिल्ट और शेम. And it could have come in the childhood in the form of कि भाई जैसे मेरे केस में मैंने गुस्से को लड़ाई में कन्वर्ट होते हुए देखा. कुछ लोगों के लिए ऐसा होगा कि आप अगर गुस्सा करते हो तो आपको पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, या अगर आप बहुत सैड होते हो तो आपको मतलब आपसे कोई बात नहीं करेगा कि ये रूठ के बैठिए, अब इससे कोई बात मत करो. इट कुड बी एनी थिंग and then that kind of emotion starts to become like a danger signal for the nervous system कि भाई ये emotion अपने अंदर नहीं आना चाहिए. But as human beings ये हमारे लिए सारे जो emotions है वो होते हैं, exist करते हैं, आते रहते हैं, and there is nothing which is wrong or bad fundamentally because everybody has these emotions. The difference is that a lot of people who have chronic pain and who don't have that very healthy relationship with an emotions just don't know how to handle that emotion or how to deal with that emotion. A lot of times what we keep on doing is we resist it, के साथ लड़ते हैं, झगड़ते हैं, उस इमोशन को लेके दिमाग में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है कि मैं क्यों गुस्सा हूँ, मैं क्यों वाई एम आई ऑलवेज सैड. तो वी आर जस्ट नॉट ओके विद दैट इमोशन, एंड समथिंग विच वी आर नॉट ओके विद, ऑब्वियसली द नर्वस सिस्टम इज गोइंग टू ऑल्सो फाइट इट by producing pain or any other symptom that is there for you. So how did I deal with it? From whatever I kind of understood from having read about mind body connection, the safest way to be to actually have a safe relationship with pain is to be okay with that emotion. इसका मतलब ये है कि देखो, एनी काइंड ऑफ एन इमोशन इज़ एक्चुअली वॉट इज़ इमोशन. इमोशन इज़, जब भी कोई इमोशन होता है, एंगर होता है, it gives a lot of sensations in the body. It could be in the form of thumping of your heart, it could be rushing of the blood on your face. Sadness could be like, really feeling, something, it is going to produce some sensations in the body. So just know that emotions are a bunch of sensations. It is some experience that your body is having, and the more you are connecting with those emotions and being okay with those emotions and observing those sensations and actually being with it, even if it is difficult. It's not easy. I'm not saying it's easy. It's very difficult. For me, anger leads to a lot of palpitation, and it leads to a lot of sensations in the head, like tightening of the muscles, sometimes earache also. So ये सारे sensations जो है, just observing them, even when it is difficult, that these are safe sensations, and this is just part of the body expressing that emotion in some way, and it's okay for me to have these sensations and observing it, doing somatic tracking. And by the way, I'm going to upload the video on somatic tracking, which you can practice if you want to deal with these emotions that you're having. So it is about being with it and being okay with that emotion, and the more and more and more you do, you're just giving a message to your nervous system that experiencing this emotion is safe, having this emotion is a safe thing to do. Now it doesn't mean that if you have anger you go lashing out on people. No, what you mean is that anger, whenever you have anger or sadness or a lot of happiness or a guilt or shame, whatever that emotion is, see what sensations are coming up as a result of those emotions, and connect with them, really be with them. Don't resist them, because fundamentally we are wired to resist any kind of emotion, because the body doesn't want any kind of discomfort. It's not wired for discomfort. So it's all it all seems very complicated. Okay, the brain is producing it, but the brain at the same time isn't comfortable with it. So it's all and a huge opportunity for us to learn from. So next time you can try this technique, and it really helped me. It really helped me because all the sensations at the end of it that I was going through, I could connect with that, be with it, and I think in over about a week I was absolutely back to normal. It took some time. I'm not saying it is like a quick fix game, definitely not. And it's not also something that एक बार किया तो वापस नहीं आएगा. Again you might have anger, but the more and more and more and more you practice, the more you're going to get comfortable with it, and maybe the number of times it will come, it is going to be less. Maybe it will disappear for you completely, or maybe it will become extremely rare for you to have that kind of a uncomfortable experience with the sensations of those uncomfortable emotions that your body has or brain has associated with. So so please, if you have any such experience which has been for you, which has been like this for you, something very similar, then please share in the comments, and also like and subscribe this channel, because on this channel I share my own experiences of dealing with chronic pain, and I'm also a certified mind body coach. So if you want to speak to me especially about what any of the symptoms that you have, it could be pain or anxiety, or it could be giddiness, itchiness, which you think has some deeper connection more than what the medical reports tell you, then I'd be very happy to talk to you and see how I can help.